Today's letter is B. But for today's video, let's take out the vowels. Now let's take this set of letters. Like for the letter L. Usually you hear L says ul, like in full. But at the start of words, it says l, like in loaf. Ul, l. Very different sounds. And R does the same thing as well. Usually you hear that R says like in dirt. See? R bossed a vowel. But it actually says r, like in red. R. Very different sounds. Now for today's challenge, you probably hear that B says ba, like in ball. But today, we're going to try and take the out of ba, like in lab. Alright, our word is coming. We. And here it goes. Web! We did it! We did it! We made the sound of the letter B without any vowels. And here it is again. B. B, B, B. Letter B.